This is David Dispersed Camping in a Van. I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'll be camping in the Cabo National Forest about 4 miles from the Grand Canyon. Campfires bring marshmallows, not firewood. Okay. This is a view from where I'm standing on the Forest Service Road. If you listen closely, you can hear an emergency siren, and the airport is straight through there. It sounds like one's coming, so let's see if we can find it. This is the second helicopter flying over within 5 minutes. The skies are active with helicopters today. Entering Tucson, elevation 6,540, founded in 1934. Let's head over to the airport. The airport has a 9,000 foot by 150 foot runway. The weather conditions today are partly cloudy, light wind, temperature 79 degrees. A Ford Transit does not have the shortest radius for a U-turn. But Larry the Cable Guy would say, let's get her done anyway. This Coca-Cola truck reminds me of home. Coca-Cola started in Atlanta in 1886, my hometown. With my windows up, I can already hear the helicopter engines. There are helicopter passengers ready to board the helicopters. Don't quote me on this, but I believe these helicopters are designed to carry 6 passengers and the pilot. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. This lady must be the honorary co-pilot. The N in the tail number stands for North America. The plane I had at one time, tail number was 9527 Juliet. They're off to view the Grand Canyon, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. And as always, I will see you later. Goodbye. For your information, this fire lookout tower was filmed in Georgia. Take care.